Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the Windows search bar not working after an update or Windows 11 or Windows 10.
Fix 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Step 2. Find Windows Explorer. Step 3. Right click it and select Restart. Fix 2. Restart Windows Search Service. Step 1. Press Win plus R. Type Services. MSC. Press Enter. Step 2. Find Windows Search. Step 3. Right click it and select Restart. Fix 3. Run Search Troubleshooter. Step 1. Press Win plus I to open Settings. Step 2. Go to System, Troubleshoot Other Troubleshooters. Step 3. Click Run next to Search and Indexing. Fix 4. Rebuild Search Index. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Go to Privacy and Security, searching Windows. Step 3. Click Advanced Indexing Options. Step 4. Select Advanced Rebuild.